need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Since only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst. The loneliness has always been a friend of mine. I'm leaving my life in your hands. People say I'm crazy, that I am blind.
Hello and welcome to Darling Workshop and good evening. Today time check is 8:17 p.m. Wednesday the 19th, 2025. I'm just going to show you, this is my other exotic birds. Okay, I just made this today. There you go. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again for whatever birds I'm going to make. Bye bye for now. Have a blessed and wonderful dreams. Good night.